Yoga means to connect our present mode of living to the ideal living. We should have a ideal, what should be my ideal life to the current life. Always aspiring to acquire the higher possibilities. Always we are keen to learn new things. The moment we stop learning, that is called as old age has set in. The definition of old age, longing to learn has stopped. That is called as old age. When you are always aspiring to learn new things, that is, creativity will be there. Creativity, we, in the present mode of living, we have put on so many masks around, thinking that I am that. I am that. The unmasking we have put on so many masks, and unmasking ourselves will lead to the ideal living. Ideal living, removing the mask. When we realize, when we unmask ourselves, realize our self, Patanjali says, Tada drashtu swarupe avasthanam. When you unmask yourself, your life become natural, enjoyable. Now my life is so unnatural. I behave with each other differently. I am living for others. Very unnatural living. Patanjali says, when you unmask yourself, you discover the joy. So natural. Life becomes so natural. When I am putting on so many masks, I am living only for others, to please others. I am leading a life only to others. I never lived for myself. Always living for my wife, my husband, my children, my friends, my boss, only living for others. I have not lived. When I am not living for myself, you vritti sarupya itaratra. Patanjali says, you won't become yourself. It is, we have only two choices in our life, either to lead your life or to be led by others. If you are not willing to lead your own life, you will be led by others. No choice. No choice. They will control your life. What to do, when to do, how to do. You are in the clutches of others. Patanjali talks about vritti sarupya itaratra. You become somebody else. You are nobody. Unless you become yourself, or you risk becoming nobody. Nobody means you are like a boat drifted in the ocean which doesn't have any sail. Without that one, you get drifted. You have no choice, only to become yourself. Otherwise, you become nobody. Nobody means you have no respect. No respect in the community, no respect in the family, and when there no respect, it is worthlessness. I am useless. I feel so down in my life. So, vritti sarupya itaratra. Vrittaya panchataya klishta aklishta. When you are going out, I want to become like somebody. When you are not yourself, vrittaya panchataya klishta klishta. The five modes of the mind, when you want to go out, not to become your original, you want to copy others, imitate others, 5 types of mental waves, thought waves comes. The panchataya klishta, some gives a momentary, transient happiness, but mostly regret. I should not have done. End up mostly with regret. Some fleeting joy, and like a bitter pill covered with sugar coated. From outside it looks tasty, but longer I tried to hang in, bitter experience. Vrittaya, Panchataya, Klishta, Aklishta. The 5 modes of experience, mind experiences, Pramana, Viparyaya, Vikalpa, Nidra, Smritaya. 5 modes, it is when I go up, the momentary ideal thing. Yes, this is what. The outer information, I seek the outer information to get, but it results in a long-term regret. Second one, the pramana, viparyaya, I wanted to get this one. In pramana, at least I got bit of happiness. In viparyaya, I ventured out, my experience is contrary to my desired. Totally opposite. I wanted this one, but totally opposite. Viparyaya, vikalpa, kalpa means imagination. Imaginary, I am daydreaming. Daydreaming, only living in the future, not in the present. Imaginary world, vikalpa, nidra, not at all unaware. I don't know what is happening in my life. I don't know what is happening. Totally ignorant. I have been pushed into this one. Totally unaware. Totally got into a wrong company, and I have gone so deep into the quicksand. I don't know how did I end up here. Nidra. Unaware of myself, I have been pushed into this one. And smriti means living in the past, only the past memory. One person was saying that she lost her dear friend, and still she can't come out of anxiety problem. She can't sleep. So only the past memory, mind is not willing to come out. Mind has hung up on that one. Only the memory, whether good experience or bad experience, mind doesn't want to come to the present moment. I'm only so worried. What happened? Nidra Spritaya. Sri Krishna talks about you have to be yourself. Otherwise, if you are going out, however rosy is the company, however rosy is the outer, appears to be outer, you are never will be comfortable. You won't be yourself. Sri Krishna talks about in this one, Shreyan Swadharmo Vigunaha Paradharma Swanishtitam Swadharme Nidanam Shreya Paradharma Bhayavaha. Even being here, I may be having a little thing. Outside looks so big, so rosy. Sri Krishna says, try to be, it is good to have what is good, maybe little. It is better than outside appears so good. It is, but you will be out of place. Better to die with your own, what is your comfort zone, what is where you belong, rather than you go out and totally get lost. Sri Krishna urges us, discover. Better you play the game, you become original. You are trying to imitate. Our whole life we are spending our time only to impress others. You cannot please others. Somebody invited me to their house, I go there, I take some present, I want to give a good present, they may say it's a useless present. Or I go next time, they say they expect more. I want to, my family or outside friends, you are so busy pleasing them, I never bothered about what is soul's call. Soul calling. There is a word in English. Have you thought about there is a soul, inside there is a call. I never pay attention to what my soul is trying to say, only busy outside. And Sri Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, he talks about be like a yogi, establish yourself, have your roots well established. If you go out, you are uprooted. Establish yourself well. When the roots are good, your branches can go anywhere. You can go out. Now what I am doing, I have not established my roots. I want to go out. I got drifted in my life. Sri Krishna says, Yogastha kuru karmani sangam tyaktva dhananjaya siddha siddho nirvikara samatvam yoga uchyate. He talks about like a yogi. You become like a yogi, connect yourself. You know where you belong. Then you go out. Wherever you go, then you know when to come back, how to come back. Without connecting, without knowing yourself, if you go out, Patanjali says you get lost. That is what Sri Krishna in Bhagavad Gita says. You connect. In English that is called as know thyself. In English they call it as self-realization. Self-realization means you connect to yourself. You know where you belong. If I do not know, I want to know, you cannot know others. You cannot know the world. It is better go within, seek within, connect within. Then you become so strong in your life. You can handle any challenges in your life. That is the message, today's message on you.